everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a toilet paper squishy. But before we get started on that, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you always know when I post my videos. Let's get started. For this activity, you're going to obviously need toilet paper. You are going to need some clear tape. Gonna need some scissors, and you're gonna need something to color with. If you want your toilet paper squishy to be plain, then you don't need colors. So I'm just gonna put the scissors, tape, and coloring things away. Next, you're gonna get 2 things of toilet paper connected. People do it without connected, but I think connected is better. Now you're going to fold it in half, like that. Should be really easy. And now you're going to cut out the shape that you want your thing to be. I want mine to be like an oval, kind of, because that's what I usually do. Gonna just boom, boom, boom. Boom. There is my shape. You're going to need to save this for this stuffing also. I forgot to mention, but this thing takes 3 toilet paper or 2, it depends. Now you are going to go draw the face. You're going to first open it up. You're going to draw whatever face you want on here. I'm going to draw a little sleepy thing. Draw one eye, another eye. I'm going to draw some Z's. Now, when I recommend drawing on toilet paper, I don't recommend just like scribbling. I just do dots. Then we're gonna draw the little mouth. Ah! Okay, not much of a face shower, so I just picked it up. My little things. Now you can just fold it back in half. Now this is where the tape comes in. I'm gonna take a biggest and you're gonna need to put it so then there's still some space at the top. So then you can fill it with the stuffing. Then I'm gonna fold. I'm gonna put it back. There you go. Some people do it different ways, but I really like this way. Now, if you make it big, you're not going to need to do this step, but you can like find a little place in the toilet paper, and then you can make it in half. If you didn't get what I did, you can just watch what I did just again. Now you're going to like rip it up, but you're going to make it so that it adds like a lot of volume. This video is taking a little longer than I expected, but that's okay. This is actually how some people like make their hamster's bed. I've actually seen personally how they do it. So this is gonna be a little with your finger. You're gonna get all the way through, so then everything is there. And now you're gonna stuff it. The first step, you're going to make sure to get it even in the corners. Okay, there we go. if you don't have enough, you're going to get another one of toilet paper. And this is how I show you. You're going to find like an opening, and you're going to just open the toilet paper up, rip it up, so it adds a whole lot of volume. I don't know why I whispered that, but so weird. I'm sorry if you hear any background noises. It's where my mom is talking to family. So, yeah, like that. So, I'm just gonna scooch it in. I'm gonna just for me, I feel like I should add one more. If you're not really big on using these things for craft supplies, or you just don't want to waste toilet paper because of the whole crisis going on, then you can make a smaller shape, and then you're gonna have to use less. Then you get to use less toilet paper. But for me, I get one toilet paper roll a year for my arts and crafts, and I've already I got this one. We just started that thing in August last year, so that means in August I'll get a new roll. So after it's filled to the top, it's a little overflowing, that's when you know that it's good. Now you're gonna get more tape. About so much. I'm gonna put it on top of it. I'll squish it all in. So it's nice. Do it like this. Emoji. I think if you did the same thing as me, it should look like this right now. Now, this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna cut off the excess, but there should still be a layer of tape. There you go. Now that is how you have easy 5-minute little squishy. This is a really fun craft to make. The squishy is not that squishy, then I kind of use it as a stress ball. The weird thing, it doesn't really rise if you squish it a lot. Rise a little, then you make that. You can also make it bigger or smaller. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you know when I post videos. Make sure to go check out my channel for other videos that can help you cure boredom in this coronavirus quarantine. Thanks for watching. Bye!